Hey everybody, I'm back. It's Scott Gold with another recipe. In my last video, I showed you how to make this homemade vodka sauce, and I'm going to be using this sauce now to make a ravioli bake. I'm going to show you how I put that together. It's very simple, and this vodka sauce can be used in a multitude of recipes, and this is one that I particularly like because you could actually freeze this entire recipe if you were looking to make something for Valentine's Day, make ahead, but it's really great fresh out of the oven. So the first thing you're going to do is take the vodka sauce that we made and put a layer just on the bottom. Give one ladle. Now we've already boiled some raviolis. These ones are ricotta and spinach flavored. I would bake them slightly less than what the package calls for, just because it's going to go in the oven after this, and you're going to want to not have them be overdone. So put a layer of your ravioli in the bottom of the pan. And you could easily separate this into smaller containers, smaller pans, so that you could make, multiple meals out of this, depending upon how many people you're preparing it for. So on top of your layer of ravioli, you're going to add a layer of mozzarella. If you have fresh mozzarella, all the better. I didn't have any, so we're using the regular kind that you used to find in the cheese aisle. And then some grated Parmigiana Reggiana. And just sprinkle that over top. Now we're going to do another layer of sauce. And at this point, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. So we ended up with 3 layers of ravioli, sauce, cheese. We did that 3 times. Now we're going to take panko breadcrumbs, and we're going to use a really heavy layer, and this is going to give it a really nice crispy crust. Now this is just a really simple way to use some store-bought ingredients and just sort of make it into something more special without going to a whole lot of extra work. You kind of get that lasagna feel without all the... And you're going to take these pieces of butter and put them on top. That's going to give this a nice crispy crust in the oven. And the raviolis are obviously already cooked, so we're just going to pop it in until it looks done. 30 minutes we'll try and take a look and see what it's looking like. The ravioli bake is out of the oven. It was 25 minutes at 400, and this is what we have. It has a really nice crispy crust that's very lightly browned on the top. I hope you'll give it a try and enjoy it. There was one other thing. Have a bottle of wine, and I have to tell you this story before we go. This wine, Ménage à Trois. So, I was at the grocery store the other day, and I've told this story on my channel, but it seems like a fitting story to tell now. I was at the grocery store and shopping, and there was this guy looking at me, and I'm shopping, and he keeps looking at me, and I'm in the liquor department, and finally he comes up to me and he says, have you tried a Ménage à Trois? And I said, not since college. Why? And he looked at me like, huh? He said, no, I'm talking about the wine menage a trois. I said, oh, yeah, definitely, for sure. I'm very familiar with it. Yeah, I'll take another bottle. I've never heard of this. It was super embarrassing. So, yeah, if you see it, I haven't tried it yet, but we're going to give it a shot tonight. So, happy Valentine's Day. Have a menage a trois if you want to. God bless. If you haven't subscribed, it's not too late. If you have, welcome to the family. I love you for watching.